someone just skid into and hit the house. That's where I am. It's right on the corner, the house next to mine.
Is anybody at that house home that you know of?
No, nobody's home. Oh my God.
Okay, and the car went into the house?
Yeah. Well, part of it did.
And could have killed somebody if they were...
I was going too fast around the corner.
On October 6th, 2025, Brookfield Police responded to a single vehicle crash into a residential home. The preliminary breath test returned 0.195, more than twice Wisconsin's legal limit of 0.08. That single number reframes every legal question that follows in this investigation.
Where's your emergency?
On the corner of Jackson and Cleveland, someone just skid into and hit the house. That's where I am. It's right on the corner, the house next to mine.
Is anybody at that house home that you know of?
No, nobody's home.
Okay, what kind of car is it?
I can't tell.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Did the airbags in that car go? Okay, did the airbags in the car go off?
I have no idea. Did the airbags go off? I don't know. I don't know.
Well, we're going to send the fire department anyway.
Oh my God.
Okay, and the car went into the house?
Yeah. Well, part of it did.
All right, we'll have the fire department and the officers en route over there, okay?
Thank you.
Anybody live here? Anybody live here?
She's probably at work.
Okay. What happened?
My foot hit the wrong pedal.
Who?
My foot hit the wrong pedal.
Your license on you?
I do, yeah.
You know their phone numbers and stuff or anything?
I think we got her phone number.
Okay.
We've got keys to her house. She's got a dog, too.
Okay.
I haven't seen the dog.
I heard it barking on the other side over there. So.
We have a dog next door.
You guys, okay, gotcha.
But she's got a small dog.
Okay, if you get that phone number for me.
I'm going to go get the keys.
Okay.
And try to get the dog over to our house.
All right, if you can get a phone number for me, I appreciate it, okay? Thank you.
So you were going northbound? Yeah. Explain to me, even if you hit the wrong pedal, you could still stay on the roadway. How did you end up in a house?
Good question.
That's what I'm asking.
Yeah, I
Did you fall asleep? Were you on your phone? So how'd you end up in the house?
I hit the wrong pedal. I was going to pick my son from school.
You're going what?
Pick my son from school.
Okay.
Yeah.
So even if you hit the wrong pedal, you could stay on the roadway. How did you leave the roadway?
What happened so fast, officer?
Have you had anything to drink today?
No.
Have you taken any medication that would alter your ability to drive? No? Do you take any medication?
Yes.
Just put a number in the cab for me.
I mean, it's damaged.
Oh, it is.
It's not like it's through the house.
Yeah, the dog's I heard a dog in here.
Enjoy, I hope so.
Do we call it choked up? I didn't know.
Go ahead.
Should not is a state of opinion. Does it impair or does it not impair? It does not? So you don't know how you left the roadway?
Hope so.
So Meg's husband, Dan Miller, is you want to call him yourself? He's Lieutenant in Forest Park. He's being my son right now.
But he wasn't in the car with you, right?
No.
So how would he explain to me how you left the roadway? We got to write a report. So in the report, I have to try to make sense of how your car left the roadway and could have killed somebody if they were...
I was going too fast around the corner.
So which way were you going? Were you going north?
This way.
Where were you coming from?
Jackson Avenue.
Okay, so you were making a turn.
Correct.
Okay,
I was coming too fast.
You didn't say that at first.
I'm sorry, officer. I was coming too fast.
So which way were you going on Jackson?
I was coming this way.
So
I live on Jackson Avenue.
So you're going eastbound?
Eastbound on Jackson Avenue to northbound on this road here. And I turned too fast.
Central 422, you can just advise that homeowner that the dog is at the neighbor's house and it's fine.
You want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm good, thank you.
No? You just have amnesia? Can't remember how you put your car into a house?
I already told you, sir.
Yeah, you told me nothing. You told me you don't remember.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you said it happened too fast.
Yeah, I got it. I'll get it back. I got it. I gave it to the officer. He's copying it down. I'll get it.
So
yeah.
You were going eastbound on Jackson, you made the turn, and you hit the gas instead of the... How fast do you think you were going when you hit the house? Most people, when they turn, they're turning like at 10 to 15 miles an hour.
Well, it was faster than that, obviously, so I'm sorry about that.
Don't be sorry. I'm not mad at you for it.
Well, I'm not mad. I'm irritated myself.
I don't take it personal.
Oh, yeah.
We just have to write a report.
I understand that, sir.
I mean, obviously, you know you're going to get some tickets.
Well, no shit, yeah.
Which way are you coming from?
So she was going eastbound Jackson. She made a northbound turn, hit the gas instead of the brake, bulldozed the corner of the house.
Do you have insurance on your car?
I do.
All right, let me get your insurance policy information and what's your phone number?
So looks like my sergeant has a PBT in his hand. You said you didn't drink. It would obviously benefit you if you just blew into it, so we can put in our report that you blew zeros. You willing to do that?
No.
No?
Well, if you do that, you go to the hospital and get your blood drawn. So
Otherwise, they're going to turn this into a DUI investigation. So if you didn't have anything to drink, it's in your best interest to blow into the PBT. I can't force you. I'm not making you. But you're telling me definitively that you had nothing to drink. You said it multiple times. So if you didn't, that should register 0. But if you choose not to, then we have to do our job, and part of our job is looking at this as a possible DUI. So did you have anything to drink today? Earlier. Okay. What time and how many? Because if, again, I'm not forcing you to do this, but if you don't do it, what they're going to end up doing is they're going to transport you to the hospital in custody, and they're going to draw your blood, and we're going to get it right from the blood. So if you're cooperative, it'll put things into perspective a little bit quicker for us, so we can understand what happened. But if you don't want to cooperate, and you don't want to do it, that's your prerogative, okay? Nobody's making you. All I'm asking you to do is tell the truth. That's it.
all right, so he's gonna blow into this, okay? Push your mouth over it like a bump balloon. Just keep blowing, okay? Keep pushing out. Push. There you go. Keep. So how long ago have you had? Okay. Your blood alcohol shows 0.195. Okay. All right.
Under Wisconsin statutes, Section 346.63, operating with any prohibited alcohol concentration is a criminal offense. But Section 346.65, subsection 2, elevates penalties when the concentration reaches 0.15 or greater. The suspect's reading falls squarely within that enhanced penalty tier, exposing her to significantly harsher consequences. The preliminary breath test itself is governed by Section 343.303, and its evidentiary use is limited. A preliminary breath test establishes probable cause to arrest. It cannot, standing alone, prove guilt at trial.
So what we're gonna do is you're gonna step over here real quick for me. All right, just stand right here. We'll do some. So go ahead, put your phone in your satchel there, okay? And just go ahead and face me. All right, put your hands out your side. You stand advised to a sobriety test. You're gonna participate in those sobriety tests.
Well, I'm wearing like not full shoes on right
You have shoes. Just put them all the way on. That's your choice if you choose not to put your shoes all the way on.
I'll do the barefoot.
You want to do it barefooted?
I'd rather do barefoot.
All right, take your satchel off if you want to sit it down over there as well. You have any other medical conditions, medical issues? Nothing? Okay, how's your overall health? It's fine. Okay, you need contacts in your eyes. All right. And last time have you consumed alcohol?
I'm not going to answer that.
You don't want to answer that. The test shows that you're twice the legal limit. Okay. All right. And that's why we want to ask those questions. Give you a chance to prove that you're not intoxicated, like I said. I mean,
so this field sobriety test would do that?
No, well, you still blew over the legal limit. So we're doing the field sobriety test as a complete process. And as you're talking to me now, I smell the alcohol coming through your breath. Okay. All right, and I have a small side inspection. I can still smell it. So that's why we're doing these tests. Okay. And this one works. All right, do me a favor. Put your feet together. Put your hands on your side. Okay. You're gonna stay in this position. All right. You're not gonna move from this position for the duration of this test. Okay. I'm going to move my finger back and forth across your face, okay? You're going to keep your head straight. You're going to follow my finger with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand? You do not have any contacts in, correct? Okay. So I'm going to reach towards you, but I'm not going to touch you, okay? It's going to get the proper distance from you, all right? So just stare at my finger, tip right here, okay? Keep your chin down. Lift your chin up, okay? Just keep your chin like this. Just let your eyes go up on its own, okay? All right, do it one more time. Keep your chin level. There you go. All right, so for the second portion of this, all right, you're going to do me a favor. You're going to put your left foot, so pretend like this is an invisible line. Here's the thing. You have shoes right there, but you can put on and not walk on your heels. You want to put the shoes on to do this? You're going to have to walk back and forth.
They're the slip-on shoes.
They're not slip-ons. They have a heel. Are they too small for you or something?
No.
Okay. I'm just giving you an option to use your shoes versus your bare feet.
Thank you.
And you're choosing your bare feet.
Yes.
Okay. So, do me a favor. Feet together, like so. Hands out your side, all right? Pretend like there's an imaginary line that goes straight down, okay? You're going to walk straight on that imaginary line. Do you understand that? Are you sure?
Yes.
All right, so do me a favor. Place your left foot on your imaginary line, your right foot in front of your left like this, heel to toe, okay? Keep your arms at your side. You're going to stay in that position. Don't move and don't start walking until I tell you to do so. You understand?
Yeah.
All right, so maintain that position, okay? When I tell you to start, nope, stay back in the position. Don't move from that position. Keep your arms pinned to your side, like this, pinned to your side. Heel to toe. See how I'm doing?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. So when I tell you to start, not until I tell you to start, you're gonna take 9 heel to toe steps straight down this line, okay? Yeah. Put your hands at your side, man. Stay in the position. Do not move from that position until you're told to, okay? This is the third time I'm telling you this, okay? Once you reach your 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps. You're going to turn around, and you're going to continue to count 9 heel-to-toe step back down this direction out loud. You understand?
Yes.
You're going to keep your arms at your side. You're going to look down at your feet, okay? It's going to look something like this, all right? Nope, back in the position for the 4th time. Don't move from that position until I tell you to do so. Do you understand? You sure? All right, so don't move again. It's the 4th time you did that. So just like this. You're going to count like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Not 3 to 9. Do you understand? Are you looking at me?
Yes.
All right, here's the steps. You're going to take a step like this, so turn around, and then continue. 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 9. Is that clear?
Yes.
You may begin.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, so fine thing. Let's go ahead and put your feet together, arms out your side. Okay. When I tell you to do so, you're going to lift either foot of your choice, right or left, doesn't matter. You lift off the ground. It's going to be about 6 inches off the ground. It's going to be parallel to the ground. Do you understand? You're going to look down at your foot. You're going to count out loud. When you count, it's going to be like 1001, 1002, 1003. Okay. We'll do something like this. Okay. Parallel to the ground like this. 1001, 1002, 1003. 1004. Do you understand?
I understand.
You're going to keep going until I tell you to stop, all right? 6 inches off the ground and parallel to the ground, all right? You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2014.
Parallel like this.
2015, 2016, 2017.
If it's too high up, you got to be parallel. All right, stop.
This is fucked me up.
What number you end on?
21.
All right, so how much you say you have to drink?
Not answer.
You don't have to answer it. Okay, so obviously you blew over the double, twice legal limit. Okay, you said you had some alcohol, but you won't tell us how much. Okay, I understand that. Go ahead and turn around for me.
That is why the officer correctly proceeded with the full standardized field sobriety battery even after obtaining the reading. The 3-test battery, horizontal gaze nystagmus, walk and turn, and one-leg stand, is validated by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, roadside sobriety testing is non-custodial and does not require a Miranda warning. And under Pennsylvania versus Muniz, physical performance evidence from these tests is treated as non-testimonial. The suspect's repeated denials of alcohol consumption, later contradicted by her own admission, carry independent legal weight.
You're taking into custody for DUI. You understand? Put your hands together like you're praying. Okay. Can you log 1 in custody? Can you see if you can give me a female officer for a search to Brookfield? You have any knives, weapons on you, or anything? Look for the hoodie up, real quick. All right, your stuff's gonna come with you, but put your glasses on. All right, we'll put this all together. You want to slip your shoes on? Go ahead.
You put these in your purse, all right?
All right. Go ahead and walk.
Bear's gonna follow you.
Okay, perfect. I asked him for a female, but
yeah,
I should have. Let's go this way. Yeah. Hold on 1 second. All right, go ahead and slide down. Put your left foot in first.
Under Wisconsin Statutes Section 946.41, obstructing an officer does not require physical resistance. Knowingly providing false information with intent to mislead law enforcement satisfies the statutory element on its own. Her eventual acknowledgement of turning too fast also functions as an admission against interest under evidentiary rules. That admission supplies the factual foundation for the separate charge of criminal damage to property under Section 943.01. The responding officer receives a grade of A- for a procedurally clean and legally accurate investigation. He began in a community caretaker role, explained implied consent without coercion, and preserved evidentiary integrity throughout. The grade is held below an A because barefoot administration of balance testing introduces variables defense counsel may exploit at trial. The suspect receives a grade of D for compounding an impaired driving offense with sustained dishonesty toward the investigating officer. Only her physical compliance during the arrest prevents the grade from falling to an F. The lesson here is straightforward. Refusing a preliminary breath test does not eliminate a driving under the influence investigation. Under Wisconsin's implied consent framework, a subsequent evidentiary blood draw can still be obtained by warrant. Equally important, inconsistent explanations offered to an officer can transform a single traffic offense into multiple criminal charges. Silence is a protected constitutional right, fabrication is not, and it carries its own criminal exposure. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like discussed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.